Here we have a problem on logarithm. That is, we have to solve for x in the given logarithmic equation. Okay, first let me write the given equation as it is. It is negative 10 positive log of x positive 5 to the base 5 equals to negative 10. Okay, to solve for x in the given logarithmic equation, first I have to isolate the logarithmic part. So for that I have to get rid of this negative 10. So to get rid of this negative 10, what I need to do is I have to add 10 to both sides. When I do so, let me do it. So this negative 10 positive 10 will cancel, the same over here. Now I'm getting a log of x positive 5 to the base 5 on the left side. On the right side, we have 0. Okay, now let me consider a stuff on conversion between the exponential form and logarithmic form of an equation. So let me consider an equation in logarithmic form, that is log x to the base y equals to k. So here we have an equation in logarithmic form. I want to convert this equation to exponential form. So for that, what I have to do is I have to consider the part of the equation which contains logarithm. So here we have logarithm on the left side of the equation. In this logarithm, I consider the logarithm along with its base y. Now I move this logarithm with its base y to the other side of the equation. When I move this log to the base y to the other side of the equation, I have to ignore the logarithm. I have to consider the base alone on the other side of the equation. Then we just get y. The value which already exists on the other side of the equation will become the exponent of this base y. Then we get y to the kth power. Now we have x on the left side of the equation. I have converted the given logarithmic equation to exponential form. Now I am going to use the same logic in our problem. So here we have an equation in logarithmic form. I am going to convert this equation to exponential form. So for that I have to consider the stuff which contains logarithm. So here we have logarithm on the left side of the equation. In this logarithm I consider log to the base 5. Over here, I'm going to move this log to the base 5 to the other side of the equation. When I do so, I have to ignore this logarithm. I have to consider the base 5 alone on the other side of the equation. So the value which already exists on the other side of the equation will become the exponent of this base 5. Then I'm getting 5 to the 0th power. Now I'm getting x positive 5 on the left side. Okay, now x positive 5 equals to any non-zero number raised to the power 0 will always result just 1. So the result of 5 to the 0th power is just 1. Now, to solve for x, I have to get rid of this positive 5. For that, I have to subtract 5 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 5 negative 5 will cancel. I'm getting x equals to 1 negative 5 is negative 4. I have solved for x in the given logarithmic equation. The value of x is negative 4.